Top 5 Best Dog Car Seats. Top 5 Products on Amazon. Keep your canine companion safe, secure, and pampered in the car during long road trips with one of these handy dog seats. Available with connection straps, height boosters, and in compact designs, they fit easily into the front or back seats of most cars, trucks, and SUVs. They'll also protect a vehicle's upholstery from dirty paws and accidents, and many have washable liners. Leisure small dog car seat for small dogs. Utotal dog car seats with dog seat. PETSFIT small dog car seat. iFurphy dog car seat.
Hey guys, so yeah, we'll be showing you the dog car seat. It comes with this little thing that you can put in the back. It comes with a detachable pillow for your dog to rest. These are to attach behind the seat. It has little paw prints in here. Also, you can use this little hook to grab your dog's collar and then have it secure. It's very comfortable. And it also has pockets here. So I'm gonna show you how to install it and how you can put your stuff inside of it. The first step is to strap this fixed in the back of the headrest. It is secure. Second step, strap in the back of the seat.
Sevoman's dog car seat for small mid dogs.